Many times when a window doesn't go up or down, it could be the switch, but it could also be the wire. This is the wiring on the driver's side, even though it's the passenger side window that doesn't work. And the wiring that comes through your door right here from the driver's switch through the door and then goes over to the passenger side. When you're opening and shutting the door all the time, those wires kink. They go back and forth all the time. So I've got them pulled out here. You can see one broken, but you can see 1, 2, 3, 4 that are kinked and ready to break. So it happens on all doors, and they use wire that's not very flexible, and when you kink it 1,000 times, it breaks.